Hey you, and welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to fix the option add person to your share iCloud calendar is not showing up. Now this is very simple. First of all, we click on calendars, and right now if I click here on the eye, you will see that they're standing add person. But when it's not standing just right there, then you need to do the following step. Alright, throw this one away, go to settings, and then from here search for calendar. Now click on calendar, and right now we are here. Then from here we click on calendar accounts, and then right here we click on iCloud. And right now you need to turn on use on this iPhone. I think that when there's not the option add person to your calendar, this option got turned off. So please turn this option on, and after this the option will appear. Alright, this is exactly how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.